Ever wonder how some people just seem to get money? What if I told you that you could be one of them? Welcome to English Smarties, the place where you practice your English listening skills with captivating topics. Today, we are diving into a subject that affects every single one of us every single day: financial literacy and personal finance. This isn't about getting rich quick. It's about gaining control over your money, not letting it control you. So what exactly is financial literacy? At its core, it's simply the ability to understand and effectively use various financial skills, including budgeting and investing. Think of it as the instruction manual for your money. Without it, managing finances can feel overwhelming and stressful. When you lack financial understanding, you're more likely to make poor choices that can affect your future. But with financial literacy, you become the CEO of your own life, making informed decisions that align with your goals and values. Let's start with budgeting. Think of a budget not as a cage but as a roadmap for your money. Just like planning an epic road trip, you need to know where you're starting from and where you want to go. Creating a budget helps you give every dollar a specific job, ensuring your money works toward your goals. The first step is tracking your income, all the money flowing into your life each month. Then track your expenses, both fixed costs like rent and variable costs like groceries and entertainment. Track every dollar for 1 month. This simple exercise gives you the data you need to make informed financial decisions. Not all debt is created equal. We can categorize debt into two types: good debt and bad debt. Good debt, like a mortgage, helps you buy assets that can increase in value and build your long-term wealth. Bad debt, like high-interest credit cards used for everyday purchases, can drain your resources and make reaching your goals harder. Your credit score is like a financial report card that tells lenders how reliable you are with money. This single number affects whether you get approved for loans and what interest rate you'll pay. Building good credit means paying bills on time, keeping credit card balances low, and managing debt responsibly. If budgeting is your roadmap, then saving is like building your own personal superhero shield. Start by building an emergency fund, your financial first aid kit for unexpected expenses like job loss or medical bills. The best way to save is to pay yourself first by automatically transferring money to savings before paying other bills. Set exciting, specific savings goals that are meaningful to you, whether it's a new car, a dream vacation, or a house down payment. Make your goals SMART: specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound for the best chance of success. If saving is storing acorns for winter, investing is planting some of those acorns so they can grow into mighty oak trees. Thanks to compound interest, interest earning interest, even small, regular investments can grow into large sums over many years. You can invest in stocks, which give you ownership in companies, or bonds, where you lend money to governments or corporations. A key principle is diversification. Don't put all your eggs in one basket by spreading investments across different assets. For beginners, low-cost index funds automatically diversify your money across hundreds or thousands of different investments. We've covered the essential building blocks of financial literacy: budgeting, managing debt, saving, and investing. Each piece is crucial for building a secure financial future and taking control of your money. Now, I want to hear from you. What's one step you've taken or plan to take to improve your financial literacy? Let me know in the comments below. If you found this video helpful, be sure to come back for more. And remember, stay curious.